Hi everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining us. We're technically going to be filming 2 tastings today. I guess we should probably separate these guys. So for now, what you're watching right now is the blueberry compote. I think I'm very bad at labeling my bottles.
Blueberry compote or fun surprise.
Exactly. And oh my god, Christina made freaking creme brulee. So I think, is this one of the, well, this is one of the ones that she had mentioned on the Mead Stampede tasting, if you watched that.
Yep.
As just like a good pairing.
And it's gonna be delicious no matter what.
Yep.
So we're just gonna go with that.
And we have a guest, Percy, who I think most of you know. Unless you're watching for the first time, in which, welcome. Thanks for being here. All right. This should be...
What we got, Percy?
Okay. I think that's right.
I like that color. Oh, that smells like blueberries.
Let me see. Where did I... Okay.
Oh my.
Oh, is it good?
Yeah, sorry, I couldn't wait.
So this was 14%. Okay, it's about what this should be.
Is that it? Because it
Whoa.
is really
Is that
strong.
right?
tasting.
Because yeah, it definitely has an alcohol burn to it.
But it's not unpleasant.
No.
Whatever it is. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's got a raisin quality to it.
At the end, you can get the vanilla. This does have maple syrup in it, and that was one of the biggest questions is, can you taste the maple syrup?
I get that a little bit in the middle. It's not like a blueberry flavor. It's a tart berry, followed by the maple, followed by the vanilla.
Yeah.
That changed a lot in a couple of months.
It's pretty amazing how
good.
Mead transforms.
Okay, I'm gonna go for this now.
Oh, yeah. Creme brulee.
May have gone a little easy on the sugar on top.
Ooh, oh my
Stinks.
god.
Hey, baby, you don't get any of this. Sorry.
What?
That turned out all right.
All right.
Turned out all right.
That's good. Holy moly.
I'm happy with that.
It's so like crisp and perfect at the top.
Thank you.
Mmm.
Followed up with this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that'll do. So pair your blueberry maple mead with some creme brulee, because that's amazing together. That's so good.
That like changes the mead.
It does.
The burnt sugar at the top, like,
and the creaminess kind of, it almost like brings a little more of the subtle flavor out and just kind of levels off.
Oh my god,
that
that's so nice.
kind of. It's not a sharpness, and it's not tart. I don't know what the word is. But there's that layer to that this levels off.
This is a really good creme brulee.
Thank you.
I've had some creme brulee, and this is like a really good creme brulee.
Thank you.
And it does go really well with this. Like, you made a good call.
You made good mead. Yeah, you're right. It's the burnt sugar that really changes that.
It does bring out more of the kind of vanilla maple.
Yeah, I definitely get more of the vanilla with it. Hi, buddy.
Percy.
He said I would like to eat.
Like, may I have a snack? You had a snack right before this, buddy. But you were being very good-ish, mister. In the description down below, I'll have the recipe. This recipe was also based off of one from a book called The Big Book of Mead Recipes. Yeah, if any of you know how to bake, or even if you don't, but you want to do something like this, or you buy creme brulee from a bakery, this is a freaking good pairing. I don't know what else to say about it. What do we say about it? I mean, it smells like blueberries.
It smells more blueberry than it tastes. I think over time, I'm trying to think back to what it tasted like before. I think the blueberry, like the straight up fruity flavor, has dialed way back, and the raisiny, mapley, vanilla-y sort of what used to be secondary notes are now primary.
Yeah, I think it had more of like a sort of a malty blueberry feel the last time, and now it's much more balanced, I think.
It's really interesting.
It is.
That's really interesting.
That has a lot of layers to it.
It does. Not a bad way to spend a Saturday afternoon.
No, this is great. That's it, folks. I don't know. I think we're just gonna sit here and
Cheers.
Cheers. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next tasting video, which will be raspberry rosemary.
Say it 5 times fast.
Oh, God. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Percy says bye, too. He's like, what?